Hello everyone, I'm going to be walking you through how I create my juices. I have been on this wellness journey for almost 3 years now. I create my own drink. I create my own juices. If I'm not juicing, then I'm just going to be drinking water. It is a mixture of fruits and vegetables. I'm going to be using pak choi, carrot pulp, banana, apple, ginger, and cinnamon. And then I'm going to walk you through just how I do it and what some of these ingredients can do for your health. When I make my juice, whether it's fruits or vegetables, I will use frozen as well as fresh. I'm going to get the pak choi, carrots, banana, and apple, which are all frozen. The ginger and cinnamon I use for flavoring because I don't use sugar in my juices. So we have pak choi, frozen pak choi. Also, you can do fresh as well. Let me show you some fresh pak choi. Ta-da! This is some fresh pak choi, and I'm using frozen pak choi. This is a Ninja blender. So first things first, I'm going to put the pak choi and just, you can see, put it in there like so. Quite a lot. Now, there you go. Now with the fruits have sugar in it already. So what I tend to do is, even though I've got all of this, I don't put all of it in. I don't want it to be too sweet. And also you can put on weight as well over consuming fruits. Yes, you can. This is the apple. Now, apples aid in digestion and heart health. Now, this is in season in Jamaica right now. So that's why I have it. Thank goodness. I love it when the fruits come in season. So I'm going to put a little bit in like that, as you can see. And then we're going to go with banana. Now, banana supports health and muscle function. So I'm going to put just like half in. And I did juice yesterday. He had done pineapple juice and carrots. And he does it himself from scratch. So peel off everything and then, chop up the pineapple. So we have that in the morning, just here. And then he peels the skin and then he boils it for about 15 minutes maybe? Or is it 5 minutes? I don't know. And then he actually made carrot juice as well. And after he used the blender, I asked him to keep the pulp because, I like that stuff. It's the vegetables, just the pulp version. And this is what he made. He mixed it together to make pineapple and carrot juice. It's got sugar in it. I'll still drink it. But what I tend to do is I'm going to do it actually. When I'm doing my juices, I might just pour a little bit of this in it because it kind of sweetens it. So yeah. Even though I don't have sugar, I like to have a little flavour. Okay, so this is the carrots. Now, carrots boost vision and skin health. So I'm going to use, I didn't really expect that to not be able. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of it to put in there, like so. By the way, I don't like eating banana. It's not the greatest taste. But I tell you something, in juices, oh gosh, in smoothies, it's the nuts. So what's next? Ginger and cinnamon. So where's my cinnamon? Here's my cinnamon here. Now cinnamon helps balance blood sugar. What I'll do is I'll pour some in there. And then we have ginger. Yesterday, Mala added ginger and I was peeling the skin off before, and I noticed that Mala didn't do that. And I'm not really good at peeling skin off like carrots, potatoes. That's why I use a peeler, because I end up peeling off half the carrot or the potato. And then with ginger, because it's so small, it's like that's the ginger, but I end up having like 50% of it. I watched him and he was cutting it up like this. Well, you can't see it because I'm cutting it. And I did not see him peel anything at all. No skin, no nothing. And yesterday when he was in the kitchen preparing his juice, he said to me, "What are you begging?" And this time I was really chuffed with my answer. I said, "I'm begging information," because I was watching him cut up the ginger. And that's the ginger cut up. Now the ginger as well, for me, it gives it flavour as well. Now after I've done that, like you saw, I poured some of the juice in there. Let me pour a little bit more in there. Just to give it a little ting, a little zing. This is what we have in our home And we have a pump that when you press it, the water comes out. But he's taking that in today with him to work. So I'm just going to pour the water like this. It's ready to blend. I will blend it, or I'll put it on the setting for smoothie, and I'll do that once. And then I'll pour some of it out and taste it to see what it's like. After I've done that, I then put it back on and blend it on high. Sometimes I may actually say, I want to keep it as a smoothie because I love the taste of it. If I'm not hot on the taste, then I'll just make it as a juice. So what I'm going to do this one is I'm going to blend it for 1 minute, see what it tastes like, and decide if I'm going to blend it on smooth or on high. Hope you can see it. I'm going to put it on. I will do another wellness one because I want to show you the different types of fruits and vegetables that I use and just tell you about some of the health facts that can help you with your body by the things that you eat. Okay, so I'm going to pour some of this in there because it's a smoothie, all right, which is why it looks like that. Oh my God. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it a little bit more because I'm just going to put some of this. By the way, I'm very happy and okay using this water. Ain't no problem with me yet. I just need to blend it a bit more, and I'm going to probably keep it as a smoothie. Give thanks and praise, man. Oh yeah. And there you have it, everybody. Smoothie, juice, smoothie. It's all the same to me because then what I end up doing anyway is, even though it might come out as a smoothie, yeah, when I am going to have my drink, put some more water in, I will fill it up to about halfway, put some ice in it, even though it's been in the fridge, yeah. And then I get some more water from here, you can see it, and top it up. A water-based juice, a water-based smoothie. I'll tell you the ingredients that I used again, everybody. So I use pak choi. Now, pak choi is great for immunity and bone health. Carrots. I used the pulp from Mala's carrot juice yesterday. It boosts vision and skin health. I use frozen banana. Frozen banana supports heart and muscle function. Apple aids digestion and heart health. Ginger fights inflammation and boosts immunity. Cinnamon, which is like I put in as well, helps balance blood sugar. And here you go, my drink. Man, if you want to know more about my wellness journey, where I get my fruits and vegetables from, I'm going to drop in the YouTube description a video of a day in the life of myself and Mala going to Kingston Market to get all our fruits and vegetables. I took you on my wellness journey of juices. I don't know if you can see in the background. We got bananas, we have pine, we have orange, we have papaya. Yeah. So that's all Mala's fruits that he makes every morning. Some of the fruits are free, some of them I'll eat straight away, or I'll put in the fridge and add to my juices. I will do another wellness journey soon on some juices. Maybe I might even do some cooking. Like, yeah, I could do that. If you enjoyed watching this live, you got some jokes, you found it very informative, I'd love it if you could click like and share with somebody that you think would benefit from watching this. If you're new and you stayed to the end, thank you very much. To be able to watch more and that you never forget when I've got a video coming, just click subscribe. I'm going to say toodaloo, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your comments. Even if you didn't make any comments, I just appreciate you being here. Remember to learn, love, and live. Stay blessed.